Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. Just wanted to get a quick crypto update out there for you guys today and literally tell you why I'm still buying Gala. And obviously, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research. So if we take a look at the market today, 883 billion is the global crypto market cap. That's up 0.9% in the last 24 hours. So Bitcoin still below the 17k. ETH is up 1.6%, trading at 1,250. A lot of the other coins are kind of hit and miss at the moment. Well, the stable coins seem to be not really moving much. The other tokens, however, look like they are moving slightly in the last 24 hours, but again, nothing really to write home about. So yeah, that's the market at the moment. In terms of the fear and greed, we're still trading at extreme fear, and obviously, like I've said in my previous videos, when there's extreme fear on the market, that's when you want to be buying. And when there's extreme greed, that's when you want to be selling, or at least, taking some profit from your portfolio. So if I flip back here, let's take a look at Gala. So Gala is the token that I'm literally buying the hell out of at the moment. I mean, the prices are so cheap and you can't really go wrong with it, to be honest. So at these prices, even if you're not a believer in the project, I certainly am. But if you're not, you can easily dabble at these prices and still get, a fairly decent bag of Gala token. Currently, the token is trading at 0.025, so 2 cents roughly. Ranked 153 in terms of total market cap for all cryptocurrencies, and all-time high, as we can see here, was 82 cents. So basically, if we were, just as an example, if we were to literally invest $500 today, that would pretty much get you 20,000 tokens. And if those 20,000 tokens return back to 82 cents, that would earn you $16,400. So pretty much a lot of gains to be made if we can, obviously go back to those all-time high levels. And realistically, there's no reason why. I mean, Gala keep building. They've got their, their games, their music, their films, and yeah, it looks good for the future. Currently, we're 97% off all-time high value, so you can see there's a lot of upside there potentially if we were to get back to that 82 cents mark. I think that's roughly about it's like a 33x from today's prices. So yeah, it looks pretty good from that perspective. And like I said, definitely bullish on Gala for the long term. Next bull run comes around, I see Gala doing really well. They've got some really good games. Competitors of Gala include like the likes of Axie, Sandbox, Decentraland, Star Atlas. So there's some fairly good competition there for Gala. But for me, definitely one of the metaverse plays. You got to be buying Gala. That's purely my opinion and not financial advice. If we take a look at the website, just see some of the statistics about Gala and see what they've got going on. So basically, you can see here literally the ecosystem is primarily powered by the people. More than 16,000 players run nodes which power up the ecosystem, which is a huge amount. So that shows the kind of, I guess, the decentralization of the ecosystem. Obviously, you've got nodes running in multiple areas of the world, which is great. And if we just take a look at some of these other stats down here, which is quite impressive, to be honest. I don't really think a lot of people normally tend to take a look at the stats and see some of the milestones that Gala Games have achieved. So you can see here 3 million was their most expensive NFT sale, and 1.3 million monthly active users. So a huge amount of traffic going through Gala Games and playing those games, obviously. So you got to be bullish based on those numbers. 26,000 NFTs sold to date. So yeah, I mean, great record achievements there from Gala. So yeah, bullish based on those numbers down there, and obviously bullish based on what they've got going on and what they're currently trying to achieve and build. If we take a look at the price action though, so price action, I'm looking at this on the daily. literally we are on a downwards trend. You can see that there, and we're kind of just ranging, bouncing up and down between that this parallel channel that we've got going on here. So what we really need to do, if I just pull in the moving averages as well, what we really need to do at the moment is literally break this trend line, so trade above the 0.026 level, and then I guess the next kind of step of resistance is the 0.03, followed by you know, the other levels here, so 0.049 and so on, until we move up to this 200 EMA, which is going to be taking us to around 0.06. But however, the first breakout that we need really is a break of this trend line, which is the 0.026, as I was just kind of mentioning. Look at the RSI. Currently the RSI is within range, so we're not kind of overbought or oversold. When we're within range, it literally means that we're just moving sideways, which is the case, to be honest. We seem to be moving sideways. Obviously bear market at the moment, and to be honest, all the coins at the moment, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, some of the other major alts, literally there's not really any I guess great price action at the moment. But like I said, this is a great time to be accumulating and you know, building those portfolios for the future. But like I said, also nothing that I say is financial advice, so please do your own research. If we take a look at the 4-hourly chart, pretty much the same kind of outlook here. So let me just put this, reset that. So you can see pretty much same outlook, currently trading within those ranges. I'm just zooming out here, trading within those ranges, and we're currently sitting on the 50 EMA, and we're looking to use that as, well, it's kind of support level at the moment. And again, we need to break that 50 EMA and then potentially move up towards this higher band of the trend line. Takes us up to 0.026, similar to the daily, and then we need to break that level to really see some kind of movement from that point onwards. And in terms of the RSI on the 4-hourly, it looks like we're kind of towards the bottom here. We're not massively into the oversold area just as of yet, so yeah, there could be a little bit of a drop before we get to oversold, and then potentially a little bit of a rise up from that point onwards. But yeah, guys, so that was just a quick update on Gala, just to let you know what I'm doing, and obviously I'm accumulating. Like I said, do your own research. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit me up in the comments, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.